Hi, my brilliant chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to make a nice shrimp quesadilla. Shrimp quesadilla? Bonus points if you know where that came from. What I used to prepare this was some shrimp, a large tortilla, shredded cheese, Saison seasoning, salsa, and a little bit of sour cream action. What? With that said, let's start cooking. Begin by drying the shrimp and seasoning them generously with the Saison seasoning. Cook the shrimp in a frying pan on medium heat. You don't want to overcook them. Shrimp are basically overcooked when they shrink and curl up on themselves. Don't let that happen. Once you see the shrimp has cooked halfway through, flip those bad boys and let the other side finish. It'll be quicker on the other side, so be careful at that point. Bust out a separate skillet. Here I'm making 2 quesadillas in one pan, so I fold the tortillas in half. Spread on a nice amount of cheese to one side of the tortilla. Then place on the shrimp so they're evenly distributed. This is prime real estate here in this tortilla. This is like waterfront property in Miami. You want to make sure that the shrimp is covering all of the available property without overlapping into somebody else's zone. I guess what I'm really saying here is that when it comes down to eating this quesadilla, you want to ensure that basically every bite has a piece of shrimp in it. You know what I'm saying? Looking muy bueno. Next, pile on some more cheese on top of the shrimp. Make sure that it's pretty much covering everything. And then flip the other half side of the tortilla back onto itself. Cook until both sides look like this. You want to make sure that the cheese is melted, that the tortilla has a nice crisp and a nice char on it. And basically that it's been cooked on both sides. Add a dollop of sour cream if you like, and then a spoonful of salsa if that's up your alley. I'll post a link at the end of my video on my favorite salsa recipe. It's worth checking out if you like a nice, mild, and smooth salsa, but I'm a little bit of a wuss, and there is no jalapeno and no spiciness. I mean, I am a gringo after all. Please let me know what you think. If you have any suggestions to improve this, I am all ears. I'd love to hear all your feedback. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I am truly grateful for all the love and support. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!